Hey beauty enthusiasts, have you noticed? Social media is bursting with cool new beauty products. Everyone wants to try them. Is the hype real? Sometimes. I put these viral sensations to the test. Join me as I dive into the world of DIY lip gloss, custom tans, and more. Get ready for some fun beauty adventures. We'll uncover the truth behind these must-have products. Are they worth your hard-earned cash? Let's find out together. First up, DIY lip gloss. The internet is obsessed with creating personalized lip colors. I had to try it. My mission: concoct the perfect gloss using household ingredients. I gathered coconut oil, beeswax, and eyeshadow pigments. Melting and mixing was surprisingly fun. The result? A pretty sheer gloss. It felt moisturizing thanks to the coconut oil. The color payoff was subtle. I added more pigment for a bolder look. Overall, a fun, easy project. But store-bought glosses might be more pigmented and long-lasting. Next, the quest for the perfect tan. Custom tanning solutions promise a natural-looking glow. Could this be the answer to my pale skin woes? I ordered a kit tailored to my skin tone. The application process was a tad messy, I admit. I used a tanning mitt for a streak-free finish. Patience was key while the tan developed. The verdict? I woke up with a sun-kissed glow. The color was subtle and natural-looking, just what I wanted. It lasted a few days before gradually fading. This one's a winner. Just remember to exfoliate and moisturize for an even tan. Now let's talk beauty hacks. These clever tricks promise amazing results using everyday items. I tested a few popular ones. First up, using cold spoons to reduce puffy eyes. Did it work? Kind of. The coldness felt refreshing and helped a little. Another hack, applying lipstick as blush. Interesting. I dabbed a bit on my cheeks and blended it out. It gave a natural, rosy flush. Not bad. These hacks are fun to try. They might not be life-changing, but they're worth experimenting with.